Gravity. I take his word for it, if I were you.
I'll make all the arrangements.
No.
I really need your help here.
Ian, I'm not going to let you steal the Declaration of Independence.
Okay. From this point on, all you're going to be is a hindrance.
Hey! What are you going to do? You going to shoot me, Sean? Well, you can't shoot me. There's more to the riddle. Information you don't have. I do. I'm the only one who can figure it out, and you know that. It's nothing. We play poker together, and you know I can't bluff.
Tell me what I need to know, then. Or I'll shoot your friend.
Hey!
Quiet, Riley. Your job's finished here.
Over here standing. All that gunpowder. You shoot me, I drop this, we all go up. Then?
What happens when the fire burns down? Tell me what I need to know, Ben.